Yo, look, yo. We had towners hopping them counters, and that's no cap, we have mini encounters. On with sounders, big thing got the powers. We still put shells in their back like Bowser. They eat flowers but don't ride like cowards. The man tried come to the block and got counted. He spent hours, their blood pours like showers. He ain't gonna make it home base like rounders. How's your mum? She good, yeah. Don't lie, try to see they're good there. If he stepped out, got bun at his hood wear. Funny how one day made it a good, yeah. It's weird how the ops tell ops we're a threat, but we ain't like them doing drills on the net. And he had C3 on their block, gets checked. If they spin this right, then it might go left. I'm bro, so we speaking code. Do it like Bumblebee and Transformers. Bro don't speak on his mobile phone, cats know where it is, so he just takes orders. Plug said COVID, the price went high, cause the big man here wanna shut down borders. Shit got real, so a few man changed, so they went a new path like the rocking ballers. My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like yes indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. If shit goes left, they spill them beans. They can't get right, what's all that seems? Real type, it's up in my jeans. Get dropped out for the clout and mention. Still roll round with the terrible teams. Could've been worse when your bro got burst, but it's like somehow he bounced back and survived it. I know he got told if he lost more juice in the street, no we next time he's surviving. And bro said roll with a gunman stance. When he gets to the point, then it's close one eyelid. No, we ain't done, we don't leave it to chance. On a workman flex, dark man in my high vis. Don't take two, but the ops them know this. Before we had a 1-9 like COVID, we made the ops to the hocus pocus. Glocks and 9s or shotty revolvers. Hold up, what happened to on the true anything goes? They sound top tier when they talk on tracks. They ain't on shit if the truth be told. You already know that we speaking code. My ops ain't bad, they ain't beat no sticks. Break that down if I said it to bro. No butters like after the iPhone 6. We caught new hit and then you get hammered. You might get corned if you're up in that mix. And if you get caught, that's your head back splattered. Or this might open your chest like Vicks. My angle is crystal clean. Was it us? Like yes indeed. In and out, so I can't be seen. If shit goes left, they spill them beans. They can't get right, what's all that seems? Real type, it's up in my jeans. Get dropped out for the clout and mention. Still roll round with the terrible teams.